In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music on your Capcut videos. So I have here a video and I'd like to add music background on this video. To do so, it is pretty much easy. There are two ways we can do that. One, you can use the audio function here. If we go ahead and tap on it, then select sounds, Capcut will go ahead and give us a list of music that are available for us and we can add. So you can go ahead and select one from this, then add. In the second method, we can use the add audio function, which is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, we shall see again the sound option, which is here. And then this will take us to Capcut music library and then look for the song that we wish. For instance, we can go ahead and say maybe we want hip hop, and it gave us a piano list here. So we'll go ahead and choose any of them. For instance, we can choose this. Let's listen in. Then add. So if we click on add, it will go ahead and add the music on our video. So, and now if we go ahead and play, look at that. Great. So that has been added successfully on your Capcut video. So that's how you add music on your Capcut videos using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.